So here I am, all alone on my anniversary.
PBCJ presents The Gift Everlasting, a film about a Jamaican family. Can their bond survive the challenges of the times? Find out in this powerful story of faith, commitment, and love that triumphs over all. Watch it on Easter Monday, April 18 at 12:30 p.m.
You dare cut me off.
They've been married a long time, Tony. What do you expect at this point?
Is there something about my wife that you need to tell me?
Your marriage ended a long time ago. You better learn to accept that and move on with your life.
When was the last time he brought you flowers?
And I think that I found that in you. Our love was so precious.
For all we know, they could both be playing around on the side.
You're telling me that you really just came up to my apartment for just a cup of coffee?
To you. This love is a powerful thing, and this is all that I bring.
It's just that I care so much about you, and I can't stand to see you be taken for granted like this.
So you gonna stop by?
It is the reason I sing. It is the reason I sing.
I wanted the best for you, and I gave everything but my blood so you could have it.
Our marriage is a joke.
What you said to me?
You heard me, James. Every single night you're out there until you're too tired to talk to me.
Our parents probably are going to get a divorce. And what's so difficult about that?
Who is she, James?
What?
Who is she?
What is that about, woman? Who is who?
After 20 years, I have the right to know.
Do you even hear yourself speaking? Don't you even care what happens to this family?
You are the church man. Always telling me that there is nothing too big for God.
God requires more of you. God gave you a family. Your daughters need you.
Let God step in, Joan.
Pray for your marriage.
That's The Gift Everlasting this Easter Monday at 12:30 p.m. right here on PBCJ, the People's Station.